Hello, teacher. Good morning. My name is Yurley Yesenia Cruz Villamizar. I am a student for the Corporación Universitaria del Caribe, SECAR. Mm, Use of firearms without legal permission. In the United States, it is very common for people to have firearms in their homes, some for sale and others for causing damage. On reparation occasion, okay. On reparated occasion, the most common use is mass shootings in the United States, which is why the current government is checking legislation to ban assault weapons and high capacity chargers. For this reason, opinions arise from all sides since for many people the use of firearms is to defend and prevent assault. In my opinion, I would believe that we are not always going to be aware to make the right decision with the use of weapons in such a way that they do not let us cause a tragedy. That is why I say that the use of firearms should be prohibited. Okay, teacher, thank you.